Next, add an if statement that checks if every rule in the checkpoint detection rules array is true. So we have here our if statement, and inside the parentheses is where would we input the condition, where it is the checking of the array checkpoint detection rules is true. So first we would have to access this array and then use the every method. So we know that the checkpoint detection rules has these elements, correct? One element here, another element here, another here, and these elements are conditions of those inside the inside the element inside the array rather, which is this one. Now we would have to check if all of these are true, and we have to use the every method for this. And to do that is that we would have to have a condition in the every method, because if we enter this would have an error, and it's because every method does not have a condition yet. So when we use every method is that we should have always a condition inside of it. So to use every method is that we would have to access each element of those, and let's name those elements as rule because they are rules as the array suggests. And let's put it in an, as a parameter in a callback. So let's name them rule and then return that parameter as rule. So this would oops, if what what did I do wrong? Checkpoint detection rules every perhaps this one. Hmm, that's crazy. Oh, one. There it is. Oh, so what this condition of the every method does is that it checks each element inside the checkpoint detection rules if they are the element themselves by returning themselves, which essentially checks if the element inside this array or elements inside this array are true. So that would be it. Nice.